Hello guys and welcome back to Creative Process DIY. As you can see, I have a few sets of dumbbells and weight plates that are rusty. So I want to try this product. It's a rust dissolver by Rust-Oleum, and that's a gel. Works as it says in 30 minutes. I never tried before, so I'm gonna try it now and I'm gonna show you results. First, I'm gonna clean it a bit with a brush. To remove peeling paint and any visible rust, use a wire brush. I'm gonna place my dumbbells on old pillowcase because I don't know if this chemical leaves stains on the concrete floor. For the best results, rinse metal with water to break the surface tension and apply rust dissolver to the wet surface. Turn the sprayer to the on position and apply rust dissolver to the surface. If needed, use a brush to spread gel onto the surface. Do not allow product to dry on the surface. According to the instructions, treatment time will vary. Medium to light rust will be dissolved in 10 to 30 minutes or less, while heavier deposits may require additional applications. I don't know if I wanna recommend this product to anybody. Yes, it removed some rust, as you can see. Some it didn't fight, even though I didn't rinse this product and it was all wet. Didn't dry on the surface for more than 30 minutes. As you can see here, same story. I don't know, it's up to you, but I wouldn't buy it again, that's for sure. Now I'm gonna try to remove all peeling paint and rust using my angle grinder and Norton Red Heat flap disc. Using this method, I can prepare my dumbbells and weight plates 3 times faster than using rust dissolver. I have a lot of dumbbells and weight plates to restore, and I'm really happy about this method. I chose this hammered finish and I'm using Krylon all-in-one paint and primer. The color is black. So this is the final result. I think it looks amazing. And I left it overnight because the smell was terrible. I even painted this play tree. I applied about 5 coats of paint, and on everything you see I spent about 3 cans of spray paint. I'm gonna put links on all products I used in this video in the description below. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.